I've been a high school basketball coach most of my life. I'm pretty active coaching, and I'm very seldom still. Did I have doubts about how I would be coming out of the surgery for my hip? Absolutely. Let's go. Come on. I got you excited now. Feel great. Feel great. Come here, Ben. You know, the thing about it before the surgery, I could not squat at all. I mean, this is about as far as I could go before I had pain. Now, I don't even think about it.
I made the diagnosis of hip arthritis, and when we got his x-rays, he clearly had just bone-on-bone disease. When we do hip replacement surgery, what we do is we put a new surface that articulates in the hip joint, so a new ball and socket joint. But it's not bionic. In fact, the biggest part of recuperation after surgery has to do with your physical therapy.
I was in rehab 3 weeks, and I'd already passed my 6-week test. It was the 29th day after surgery that I went out with my friend Ed Caudill, and we played golf at the golf club. And I remember it vividly, sending a picture to my dad, a video of it. I'm out walking and playing golf, and I have no pain.
He clearly surprised me. He's the first patient I've had that's actually been able to play 18 holes of golf. I think it was less than 30 days after surgery. I feel like that implant will last him his lifetime.
Dr. DeBoer is such a wonderful, nice a man as you'll ever meet. And obviously he is fantastic at what he does.